Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. This was shot last week at the Bellagio. It's going to be a room tour of the Penthouse Strip View Suite. So if you've never been to the Bellagio, thinking about staying there, maybe you want to know what the penthouse looks like, this video is for you. So this is the Strip View Penthouse at the Bellagio, which means it's in the spa tower. So you're about 1,525 square feet on this room. Directly when you walk in the door on the left hand side, it's going to be a powder room for guests if you're entertaining, and then over to the right is going to be your bar area. It's a wet bar, has a mini fridge, plus the mini bar with the overpriced goodies that if you're not getting those comped, you might need to take out a second mortgage. And then we move into the main living and dining area of the room. Big open space here. You've got a desk off to the left hand side, of course the TV, big couch, 2 extra chairs, and then a dining room table with seating for 4. Then you move into the good size king bedroom. You've got an extra little chase, sit and read a book. You've got the same strip views from the bedroom. And then attached to the bedroom is this giant walk-in closet. There's also another closet, so plenty of storage in this room. And then, of course, it's overkill. We've got his and hers separate bathrooms. So hers has the jetted tub, his has a nice walk-in shower. So in the hallway going to these bathrooms, there's another closet that has mirrored doors on it, 4 total doors, so plenty of storage space here. So as you can see, you've got great strip views from this room, plus the fountain show. The TVs do tune to the music just like they do in the main tower. So that'll conclude this room tour at the Bellagio in the Penthouse Strip View Suite. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. And as always, thanks for watching.